My people, like me tonight this morning, my fellow Nigerians, this morning we just bring some kind of matter as it go, we even still chook mouth what's up this matter. And what we carry come this morning now, this issue of the Ruga settlement, how you take the involved for the matter, and we still want to discuss, how we fit see how these things go come turn to issue of katakata inside the country. Basically, say some people now don't they give issue ultimatum, some say make una leave our land, some say we no do again, some like that just they make the matter now in the horse. People just they make the matter. Upon that, even some elder statesmen don't they talk, some they agree, some disagree on this matter. So now we say make we self we chook mouth on this issue of Ruga this morning. And to touchlight this matter, as we discussed this morning, our own in-house commentator, where we call Uncle D. Uncle D, morning, sir.
Yeah, morning.
Welcome.
How you doing?
We did.
Our body.
Our body day.
I see your the shine, your the look.
How good.
Now, wow.
As it be like this, you need to take the cover the small shit and say, "Mo could even wear some kind of cap."
No, you see set like this, still good. Even myself, I'll begin follow your work these days as it be.
Okay.
No problem.
Yeah. So this morning, as we just small, we'll talk on this issue of this Ruga matter. It don't cause so many problems. First of all, from my own understanding, wetin be this Ruga, and wetin they make am come, they be like say they cause problem for us. Shall I say them no define am well, or say Nigerians never fully understand the benefit? I been saying that the way they want take implement am na be the problem. Wetin you feel say na be the problem for this matter?
First of all, before we've been tell you wetin or tell our people out there wetin be the problem for this Ruga matter. Make we understand wetin be the Ruga itself.
Yes, it is very important.
Yes, so. Now, out of the wisdom of the government of today, they say this problem wey dey dey between herders and farmers, which way out? Now dem sit down. All the people wey dey government say, okay, make them sit down, make them even reason this Ruga matter. Now they come up with this Ruga settlement. The Ruga settlement, now say make these herders, make them for day one particular place. Make them know the waka about the enter people farm, they destroy their farm.
The question we are now asking, see, before now, even when I small,
yes,
I remember today these herders they carry cow, the waka.
Don't be like.
And that time too, farmers dey. And till where all this problem come start, no time we get issue say one Fulani or one herder man they carry gun shoot people for farm. Or say that they get problem with farmers.
You did correct.
So wetin come be the thing wey make am change as
now.
The day before?
People wey do akada well talk say change is constant. That means from time to time, things no be the way you see am yesterday, you go still see am today. Dem go come look am for this Ruga matter, wetin bring. Just as we talk before, true, you go see farmers. They do their farming. You go see cattle herders too. They carry their cattle, they waka, they feed them. But not forget, say that time, it gets wetin dem dey call this route where dem dey follow. That's where the waka go pass. Where they say they know they spill, enter people farm.
Okay, so you mean say they get specific.
Yes, they get specific road where we see yes those days.
Okay.
Only say I don't forget to get as then the call am where you go been call am that time. Where we see them go, you no go hear any noise. We get the fortunate growth or not. If you go even this plateau problem where they come every time. Now political issue, my brother. Now when politicians begin enter matter, they begin complicate issue. When poverty begins setting, if you remember those days, problem no day like this. You feel sit down for your domot, you feel sleep for your domot till morning during it for not. Nobody go enter your house. Instead of say the economy, company they work, people they get job, but no problem. The politicians were even more responsible than the ones who they get today.
Another issue we say, before this issue of this Ruga, we say yes, maybe from my own point, from my own way what they see, maybe now because of, I don't know whether that the name where they take give the thing, where confess cause the problem, and before now, see, we don't get issue of trust. Igbo no trust Hausa man no trust this one. Everybody don't and before now they don't get speculation say they want Islamize Nigeria, say Fulani want take over. And we never really settle this issue of trust. Now then carry this one come. Don't feel say now we suppose first settle that issue of trust first before we begin talk about it, because when person they accuse you of something, then you can't all of a sudden you can't bring out something again. We be like say you want help, actualize that.
Yeah, that's the way they accuse you of.
Say we be like say we don't
no
talk
be lie.
So that's how I decide.
But the thing we say,
yes,
just as you talk, that trust they never really build that, and this issue of trust is you go look and back to the time where this from independence time. This problem no be today. Make I even tell you.
Of course.
You dey hear me so? It don't be from time to time. We say from the time we say this the founding fathers of the so-called Nigeria come. We say they don't gather, they talk, say okay, we could build this nation. That mistrust don't the up to way lead to civil war. You dey hear me so? This one no gree. This one no gree.
If you leave this one,
this one go.
Everything.
Yes, if you leave this
power,
thank you.
Everybody will die for it.
Now where the problem dey with that? Okay. Are you hearing me? So until that trust come, before people if you bring up something where we say they no go get fair, they will say okay, it's in right direction. But again, I want to let you know make people know one thing. The thing itself, not be say to cause trouble, but there's what they call due consultation. It's just like tell me something, you just come shoot for my house. Come sit down for my house. You don't tell me before. Me say, Uncle D1, I dey come your house. So for if I come your house, see what I want come do. If I dey aware, I feel allow you okay. Even if I know they I feel keep for you sake of say if you come. But you don't tell you just bring up back. Just as you talk that fear, that's mistrust where people go even make say these people true what will we then think of them? Now him the one
the name when they give me don't
Ruga.
Say
if Yoruba man hear Ruga or Igbo man hear Ruga, you get as it be to them. Then the problem that
problem say the communication no dey. Because if you check well, cow no be bad thing, and so you get where cow
go they stay for yes sir, no be bad thing.
You go hear me go enter restaurant, madam give me 2 shaki pomo, put a
yes sir. And funny enough say now for southern people say now then they even eat and pass.
Put the tape, put the top.
No,
from cow.
Yes sir, no be like
everybody they benefit from the cow.
No be like.
But now it can't be like say course or it can't be like say something way people now they reject. No? Now another question I want to ask now be say the issue of this ultimatum way that they give, however, youth don't they talk their own, Igbo youth don't they talk, Ijaw youth say no, if you come here, we will see. This one say they don't give federal government 30 days if they don't implement that thing. The problem is where people they live together, different tribe, different tongue, different culture, different background. You know, we just come, feel say okay, now one way I talk. Now wetin be the youth? How youth supposed to handle this matter?
Yeah, thank you, my brother. You see, the way you supposed to handle this matter be say, make them not listen to these politicians. And they tell you. Now the politicians for this country, now then they cause this problem.
Because if you put check out now, inside this,
make them know they allow them use them.
Because if you check out well now, inside this Ruga settlements matter now. If they say they won't be there for the whole 36 states,
it makes sense.
Now contract with that.
Now contract.
And now person go collect that contract.
No be lie.
Now person go build that.
Now so.
So and those people personally, then they put fire for the matter. They sponsor some kind of problem for their own selfish reasons.
No be lie, no be
So
lie.
this one wey young people, this one they finally they go cause problem for una here. They go use am go kill. And meanwhile, people wey sell una who fit most times when they finish the work, then they fit get access to those people again.
And I tell you,
You know, so
that's why you not even let me talk, my brother. You see these people, these are our politicians. Now very wicked people. And they talk with no reservation. Wait till about the culture. I not talk old man put for one side. Then go carry our youth, just as you talk, then go use them, give them guns. During election campaign, you know, no be new thing, no be something I will tell you. Then go use them. And just as we talk now, maybe some people they down the warm up for contract for this thing. What we say go be to their benefit.
but they will come
They push other children, and their own children they abroad. Now what they pay me pass be that? Then go carry our still money. In fact, if we go interest to know, we say this same politician. Now free education then go. When will they grow up safe? Make I even tell you. If you go university, then visit all they say okay, go visit our cousin. Now two like 15 by 30 dormitory. Now two of them they do one room. Yes.
This one way this
They are feeding a buffet. Make I tell you now.
They go pack children like sardine.
They are sardine inside one room. You even see the hostel. You see and this. The two of them go there. Before they graduate finish, my brother. Work day with Toyota 544
everything.
SRD. But these same people now they don't graduate now to the level where they suffered the Nigerians.
They cause problem for youth.
They suffer Nigerians. So what I want to tell Nigerians used to be say, make them not make themselves available for all these selfish reasons. And again, make this Ruga matter. Make federal government sit down with stakeholders. Who be the stakeholders? Like King them, like Igwe them, like Emir them, like all these people we get we be saying that they are domain. Make them do yes. Wait till you go they do consultation. That's make them meet everybody who I don't cancel. Make them sit down. Make them agree. Now so it go be. You know go be like this. See where we want give una.
They come from one place. Can't give now.
Yes, sir. Even if I be your father, I born you now. You get limits. You get age where go reach where be say I go dey tell you. I will say you must do it. You don't understand. So now so I say.
The people who now see as you don't touch life for this matter, so now so we dey talk am till results come, till we solve this matter. We go dey talk. We go no go stop to dey talk because if you set now, even you wey dey there dey watch, wey dey press phone, you dey waka normally for road, you know we won't fit do am again. So make we all join hands. And if you get brother, you get uncle, you get cousin, you get even your brother friend or your own friend, where then they use to cause problem for this country. Make una advise her. Make una talk to her. Because wetin dey sweet you today, e fit still come for you tomorrow. Till we meet again next time. Thank you very much.